Hi guys, today I've got 3 quick and easy 5-minute updos for you. As always, I'll leave everything I've used in the description box below. To start, we're going to section the hair from ear to ear. So gather this all up in your hand and divide this into 3 even sections. Next, drop out that middle section and bring the 2 outer sections together and just tie them off with a clear elastic band. Once you've done that, just pop your fingers up and through the hole, grab the ponytail and pull it through that opening. Loosen up the hair by pinching and pulling the section so it's not too tight. Next, we're just going to grab the section on the right hand side that's still left hanging down. Again, pop your fingers up through that hole we made and pull that section up and through, and just repeat that on the other side. So on the left hand section, gather that together, pop your fingers through the hole, grab onto the hair and just pull it through. Once those 2 side sections are pulled through that hole, just tie everything together with another clear elastic band. Again, use your fingers to pinch and pull at the area around the crown and also at the side twists. Gather that ponytail, split it in half and just create a simple twist. Secure this with another clear elastic band at the end of the hair. I've just applied some texture spray to the twist, and then all I've done is tucked the tail ends of that twist inside the elastic band so it doesn't get in my way. Then simply roll the twist up. This doesn't have to be neat, so roll it all the way up to the nape of the neck and secure to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Once everything's nice and secure, just use some hairspray for the finishing touches. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. To start, we're going to section out a chunk of hair from behind the left ear and clip this out of the way for later. Next, gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail and secure it with an elastic band. Loosen this up by pulling the elastic band away from the head a little bit, and we're going to make a hole with our fingers, reach through and pull that ponytail up and through the hole. Next, gently backcomb the underside of that ponytail and then just use your comb to smooth over the top layers. apply a little bit of hairspray and gather that ponytail up in your hands and just add an elastic band a few inches away from the bottom. Next, just roll those tail ends under until you meet the bottom of the hairline, and we're just going to secure at the top and bottom of each side using a couple of bobby pins. Use some hairspray to calm any flyaways. Next, take that first section and we're just going to simply create a 3-strand braid. Apply some texture spray and gently pinch and pull at the edges of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Bring the braid up and over the chignon that we've created, and we're going to tuck the tail in on the right hand side by just curling these round our fingers and then popping them underneath that chignon and pinning it to the head. Use your hand to gently push the chignon towards the head and just catch the very edges of the side and secure these down, and repeat this on both sides. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. We're going to start by simply creating a ponytail at the back of the head, round about top of the ear height. Now we're going to create a small hole behind that elastic band, so pop your finger through from right to left, creating a little hole. Reach your other fingers through from the left to the right and pass that ponytail through the hole, so we're creating a sideways twist. And then just tighten up that by just pulling on the ponytail slightly. Now we're going to create a French lace braid, and it's really simple. We're just going to take a small section of hair and divide this into 3 sections, and we're just going to start braiding it normally. So pass that left hand strand over the middle strand, and then the right hand strand over the middle, and then one more time, left hand over the middle, and then right hand strand over the middle. But this time we're going to add a small slice of hair from that ponytail and join that into that strand we've just added to the middle. So left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, and then add a slice of hair from the ponytail and join that to the middle strand that we've just added to. And it's that simple really. We're going to repeat that down to the bottom of the hair. Just make sure as you're braiding this, you're holding the braid towards you, so each section that you take will be slightly longer than the next. Once you run out of hair, just secure everything off with a clear elastic band, and you should be left with something that looks a bit like this. Now simply grab hold of that braid and flip it over to the opposite side of the head and just tuck those tail ends under, and then all we're going to do is take a few bobby pins and just secure that braid to the opposite side of the head. Now just take those tail ends and just pin them underneath and finish off this style with a little bit of hairspray to help any flyaways. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.